Hey everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial. If you want to add different headers to different pages on your Wix website, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up unique headers for each page, giving your site a more custom and professional feel. Maybe you want your home page to have a bold welcome message, or to use a sleeker layout for your About page. Whatever your vision, you'll be able to make it happen. So let's dive in. First, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and where you have full control over the look and feel of your site. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're in the editor mode, since that's where all your customization options are. Next, spot your header at the top of the page. This is usually where your logo, navigation menu, and maybe a slogan live. Click directly on the header to select it. You'll notice 3 little dots appearing on the right side of the header section. These are your settings options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. If you haven't explored these before, they're sort of like a mini control panel that lets you change how this section behaves across your site. Now, look for the option that says Hide Header and Footer. Click this, and don't worry if you're wondering what's going to happen. You're not deleting your header and footer forever. You're just telling Wix not to show them on this specific page. This is a key step, because Wix normally shares the same header and footer layout across every page for consistency. By hiding them, you open the door to creating completely personalized sections that sit at the top and bottom of individual pages. Once you do this, the site pages and menu panel will appear, usually on the left side of your screen. From here, select No Header and Footer for the page you're working on. This ensures your page starts with a clean slate, no shared header or footer to get in the way. If you're unsure, think of it as removing the default wallpaper so you can redesign the look just for this space. After you've made that selection, close out of the settings menu. Your page will now look a bit empty at the top, and that's exactly what you want. This blank space is where you'll add your unique, custom header. To craft your new personalized header, go up to the top of the page and click Add, then choose Section to insert a brand new area right at the top. You can make this section look however you want. Add your logo, change the background color, insert text, or build a special navigation menu just for that page. Feel free to get creative. Maybe you want your contact page header to highlight a phone number, or your blog section to have a catchy intro. This gives you total freedom to tailor each header to the page's purpose. Repeat these exact same steps for your other pages. For every page where you want a custom header, just hide the default one, pick No Header and Footer, and design your own section at the top. Take your time. If at any point you feel stuck, don't worry. You can always go back and adjust the look and layout until you're happy with the result. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have a Wix site where every page feels special and crafted for your visitor's experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions or need a bit more guidance, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. And if you want more tips and tutorials on making your website shine, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.